Hi everyone, this is Stephanie, and I wanted to give you a quick review, little information about this cool new free tool that I found and I've been testing out and playing around with. This is specifically for PDFs. It's called PDF Multitool. Kind of lets you do a lot of updating PDFs, merging PDFs, anything that you really have to do with them, whether small business owner on your personal end or even more elaborate tasks. It's pretty user-friendly, I found, and so I'm going to show you a little bit of items on it. But first, kind of wanted to go to the website. So the website is ByteScout.com, and then if you do /download underscore freeware, takes you to the site where they have many other tools. Been playing around with it, haven't had enough time to completely do a review on them, but working on that. But if you scroll down, invoice generator, PDF, barcode generator, a lot of free tools for you to try out there. So if you're interested, go find out, play around, feel free. There's lots and lots of fun stuff out there. But I'm going to scroll up a little bit and I'm going to be touching on the one that's called PDF Multitool. So it lets you extract images, data, text, split and merge PDFs, turn into different formats. So that's a really cool feature. So all you do, downloading was really easy, and it wasn't the site that makes it look like it's totally not trustworthy, so to speak. So it was pretty seamless. So here we go. To download it, all you do is click on direct download. Pretty simple. Downloader opens. It's not that large of a file, which was surprising. So it does download in less than 10 seconds. Super cool. So then you could just click there, let it download. I actually have already downloaded it, but I'll just open up the screen and let you see what it looks like. It'll take you through the wizard, you hit next, you read the terms and agreements, you agree, yada yada, and then once that's done, it's downloaded onto your computer. And exit setup because I've already downloaded it. So when you first launch the program, it opens up and it looks a little bit like this. A little window also pops up saying launcher, and maybe I'm going to do that for you so you could see it a little bit better. PDF ByteScout Multitool. Once I open it, I get an automatic startup menu. So you don't have to look, think, hey, where do I find my documents? Where do I add it? It pretty much tells you. So what I'm going to do is just click on Open PDF. And I actually have a test PDF that I've been playing with. So I will go and download it and open it real quick. Test resume. This is always my favorite, Simpson resumes. Initially, when looking at it, I like that it automatically shows you the whole page of the document and not just certain text, certain magnification, just the top. So that's nice. You do get the options to update how you want to see it. So you could zoom in if you want to zoom in more, zoom out if you'd like to zoom out more, or if you want to customize it. Pretty standard. Here's some more options if you want to do fit the width, so the width of the document, or if you want to go to full page. More toolbars, rotating it, select, any of that. So I'm going to show you some of the cool features, some that I found working in the business field. Do a lot of reporting, do a lot of updating, and there's constantly where I'm sent a file from a client and needing to convert it into different file formats, upload it onto one system one way. So the really cool thing that I found here is you can actually extract this PDF just to text. So if you just click on extract to text, double click, and then a window opens up. Another really cool thing, they give you lots of different options. Really, I just kept a lot of the formatting just as standard. But what was really cool, so you can extract just the current page. So if we just wanted to look at Marge's resume, we could just copy, we could convert this page to text, or we can actually do the entire document. For this case, I'm just going to do the current page. We'll just do Marge's. So it lets you actually choose two different formats that you want to do. So you can copy it to a clipboard. Let's say you just want to copy and paste it maybe in a body, the information in the body of an email. Let's say you want to do it just copy to a sticky note or just anything. If you click copy to keyboard, you see that it thought really quickly. And if I were to go to Word and open a Word document, oops, clicked a little too fast. But if I do copy to clipboard, and I were to open a Word document, if I right click and paste, it actually just pasted all the information in that PDF into text. Really nice if it's a document that you found and you need to tweak and you need to update, literally converts it into a document for you. So that's amazing. Or if you wanted to save it as a file, you can always extract it to a file. It'll want you to look, hey, where do you want to put it? You could save it as a TXT file. And then if I were to go and open it, it actually opens as a text file. So that's pretty cool and nifty. The only thing I found a little difficult every time I extract it as something, it automatically takes you to open PDF again, so you will need to go back and open it. Little time consuming if you're always looking to use the same PDF and just alter it in many different ways, but it's not the worst thing. So here's some other stuff. You could extract it to CSV. I do a lot of reporting during my day life, so here I'm able to actually extract this information into different CSV or comma delimited text. So I can do commas, I could do lines. If I were to copy this clipboard, I'll show you again on this version. Oh, this one didn't work for some reason. Let me see. Well, it worked for me a little bit earlier. Let's see if it works over here. Enter. There we go. So here, in the middle of every text, it puts a little space, or what I told it to differentiate all the items. Sometimes this is really good for certain reporting systems. So if you're using it, that's great. If not, I don't think you'll really touch on it too much. Here's if you wanted to do a bunch of different other formats. Another cool feature that I found that I use a lot, and I usually just take screenshots, but you can actually convert this into a photo. So if you were to convert into a PNG or JPEG, you could say, hey, the current page, I just want to convert it to an image. I just want a quick screenshot, maybe using for an example of something. I do copy to clipboard. If you go in, and I'll just scroll to the bottom of this current document and paste it, an actual JPEG will show up. So you could shrink it up, make it a little bigger, but it makes it a cute little photo, and it's a lot easier than having to open a snipping tool or any other tool to crop it and agree with it. So I like the really one-step options. So again, you could always convert it to a file or just change the format, depending if you have certain qualifications. Close. Another items that I found pretty nice and pretty interesting. So if you look here, this document's 5 pages. We got Marge's resume, Lisa's resume, Maggie's resume. So we have the whole family's resume. One massive document, but let's say we don't want everybody's. We want them split out into different documents. We want to say Maggie's to one person, Bart's to another person. So here it actually lets you split the document. So you could split it into 2 parts. So you could split at, let's say, page 3. You could split it there. You could do page ranges. So from page 2 to 3, that's all I want to extract, or just one page. Or if I just want to remove certain pages, so I want to delete from here to here, which is really nice. So in this, I'm just going to show you splitting into 2 pages. The first 3 pages are the ladies, and the last 2 are the gentlemen. So just want to split it that way. Click go. A window will pop up and saying, hey, where do you want to save it? So we're going to do test resume. We're going to do ladies. I'm going to save it. And then the second part, the last 2 pages, a window is going to pop up. So I'm going to do men. I'm going to hit save. And so you see here, it's thinking and it's actually extracting it into 2 separate documents. So I'm going to go and open it up for you. But once again, it does take you back to that landing page. Little inconvenient, but not the worst thing. So if I drag over my screen, here you're going to see the different documents I've been playing with. So if I click on the test resume ladies, you'll be able to see that it was able to split the 2 resumes that I wanted. Then if I go into men, I think I may have off-numbered mine. But then I'll show the remaining users, or 3 resumes. Pretty nice if you want to split them out. We got Homer, gave us 2 resumes, and then Maggie. So that's pretty cool, pretty easy. Another thing that I've had to do on many occasions, and I'm just opening another document, is having to merge resumes or merge documents. I have 3 different documents, want to put it in one-stop shop. So here you can actually go and merge, and I'll say, hey, what documents do you want to add? So let's make this pretty big. We'll do the men and the ladies, and then open. Here, I'll let you pick it out, hit go. And it's gonna say, okay, where do you want to do it? Where do you want to save it? I'm gonna save it as all resumes, and it will now save the document how I wanted it. So once again, it put everything together for us in the resumes. So that's pretty nifty. Lots of other tools here, making documents searchable, unsearchable, depending on the PDF and how advanced you're trying to get. I was really looking at it more of the practical day-to-day stuff that involves a lot of clicks if I'm doing it multiple times. And it was really nice to see I could convert it to CSV or text in literally 30 seconds, opposed to the 5 minutes it generally takes me on one of my daily tasks. So that was cool. Yeah, that's pretty much for my first review. Really liked it. Definitely gonna keep trying, keep seeing what it does and playing with it. My only negative feedback would be this open document happens every time I do an action, but that's not the worst. Maybe you're trying to do multiple documents, multiple items, so it depends on the user. But other than that, pretty easy understanding. You see everything one-stop shop, can click and play. So feel free. I'm going to actually add the link below and the name of the tool below so you could go and check it out if you'd like. But enjoy and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.